Bonjour tout le monde, hey everybody, back at it again, Mr. Steve with another drawing video. Let's get those artistic juices flowing. Today's theme is Minecraft. We're gonna be drawing a creeper. I'll show you step by step how to do it. So, thanks for coming. Please give this video a big thumbs up, a like, and if you could hit the subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. All right, let's get going. Hey everyone, as I said in my intro, we're going to be learning how to draw a Minecraft creeper. This could be a bit challenging because there are a lot of lines that need to be straight, but you know what? Let's have fun. Let's just try it together and see what happens. You might want to use a ruler. I'm going to try and freehand it. It's up to you what you feel more comfortable with. I would recommend using a pencil that has an eraser. So, you know, if you do something that you're not happy with, you can always erase it. So let's draw together. If you need to stop the video at any time to sort of see what I'm doing or try and copy what I'm doing, please feel free to do so. But number one, let's have some fun. Okay, so I'm gonna start by drawing a square that's sort of on an angle. So a line like that. And then a line like that. So it's almost gonna look like a diamond, but not quite. And then we're gonna join it. Now, if it's not a perfect square, do you think it's a big problem? Nope, you're right, not a big problem. And at the end, we're gonna go over it in black to make it look real nice. So, step one, draw a square like so. Then, step two, we're going to draw a few lines. One over here, because we're gonna make a cube. And then one over here. And then another like so. So we're already shaping the top of the head. And then, it's gonna go a little darker so I can see it properly. We're then gonna join the lines to create the rest of the head. And I'm sketching, extending here and there, you know, just to make it the way I want it. So you can feel free to do the same. Does it need to be perfect? No, just having some fun. All right, that's probably better. I'm gonna shorten this line. See, it's a process, guys. It's not gonna be perfect the first time around. All right, that's better. Yeah, I like that better. Okay, so next step, we're gonna draw 3 lines. One of them is gonna be just a bit in from this side over here, and it's going to go down about so. If you want, you can feel free to use a ruler. I'm pretty confident in my straight line abilities, but that's up to you. Over here, we're gonna draw one more line. This line's gonna be a bit longer than the last one. See, just like so. And then another one about equal distance from the side, so maybe about here. And it's gonna come down, not as far down. You wanna be able to do it's just about that much higher up than this one. Cool. Step 5, we're going to draw a line and seal this off like that. And I'm actually going to extend this just a wee bit. And then this one as well. All right, so if you want to stop the video here, you can, and just make sure yours looks something like this. If not, totally cool. You want to keep going? Let's keep going. All right, so next step is to just draw a line that just like that. We're now drawing the feet, if you can call them that. And then I'm gonna draw, it's like a rectangle over here. And then, like we did with the cube, a line here, a line here, and we already have that line there. It's actually just a little too long. There we go. So now we're gonna join this one like that. And then that one like that. And then here, you want a line there. So it looks just like a triangle here, because that's the other side of the foot. Line like that. We're gonna have a line come out from behind to join this line over here. Again, another little triangle, and then one that comes down. So this one came out a bit too far, so I'm just gonna erase that. Looking pretty good. Sometimes you see the creepers have like divisions in their feet. Sometimes they don't. I'm gonna draw a division here. So we're gonna find the middle of our rectangle and draw one line, and then continue that line down, just like that. All right, looks pretty good to me. And now, creepers have really cool faces. So let's start by finding the middle. So that to me looks about the middle. So that's where I'm gonna put the top part and draw a line like that. Then I'm gonna draw two squares on either side for the eyes. Don't worry, if it's not perfect, we're gonna color them in later. Don't forget, they're sort of on an angle. So kind of like diamonds again. Okay, and then we're gonna line down like this, line down like that, and then come off to the side like that, come off to the side like this, and then another little rectangle over here. All right. I'm really happy with this. You can also go so far as to add some of the details that we have in the creepers, and we'll be coloring this in later. So there's a line there, and a line there. All right, so now the fun part. The drawing part is over. I'm pretty happy with it. I hope you're happy with yours. Now I'm gonna trace over with a black marker. Do you have to do this? We got our very own creeper from Minecraft. I hope you had fun. I had a great time drawing with you. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the button that says subscribe. Awesome. Join me next time for another great video. Have an awesome day. Bye, everybody.